Hello, friends. It's Running Kimono with a lot of gravel in my voice. And I got a triple stack going over Walgreens. I got $50 of merchandise for free, and it was awesome. And I was doing karate chops in the store. I was so hyper yesterday, but I think most of you know why. We're going to talk about this in a quick second. But if you could possibly give this video a big thumbs up, it really helps me out. So if you just stop, give the video a thumbs up, I would be so grateful. So the first piece of business we want to talk about are these Reese's peanut butter cups, and I'm just going to answer a couple questions. So if you're subscribed to my channel, you already know the deal, and you've probably been out to the store and managed to get it for free. Essentially, they're on clearance for 29 cents, and if they're not even tagged at the store, this one and the one called Puffs are ringing up 29 cents in my region. Get two of them, load this IVC coupon, and it's free. Now, you can grab more than two per transaction. I grabbed 40 in a transaction. I have purpose for grabbing this many with the Easter holiday being so close, and I gift to some elderly people in my neighborhood too. So that's why I wanted to grab more. But a lot of you were saying, hey, that's a lot. And I agree, it is excessive, especially for somebody that's not going to eat it. I post a video like this because a lot of us would never find a deal like this. That's the first point of this. And with Easter right around the corner, a lot of people who want to gift candy, it's expensive. It's really expensive. Two for $2.50 for these when you can get them for free. I mean, it's a lot, and a lot of people, it's going to help them out this Easter, and that's why I made the video. And a lot of us are donating and giving this away too. So I'm not really in a place here to criticize people's hauls if you got 40 or if you got 105. Not my place, but I know a lot of people are making massive donations with this. One lady said she's going to put them in a blessing box. Like, how kind is that? As we are at the beginning of the month with that IVC coupon, if your store doesn't have these on clearance yet, keep a watchful eye out for them. So 49 cents or less, when they're at that price, it'll be totally for free because, 98 cents, dollar IVC, easy math. Usually Saturdays and Tuesdays is when they start to ticket or put it in the system that these items will be on clearance. And it's a lot of different candy and stuff in that aisle. So definitely, if your store hasn't even gone on clearance, this is your opportunity to just follow up at the store either on Tuesdays or Saturdays and ask for a price check, and if it's ringing up on clearance, it's time. You have until that IVC expires. I believe it's the end of the month. Load it and just wait for your moment for these free chocolates if your region hasn't cleared out yet. Other clearance items include these Altoids for 29 cents. I saw a lot of people hauling them. And for 29 cents, we do not have a digital coupon for this, but grab 10 of them for $3 of Walgreens cash. That's a very smart purchase. This is a king size candy bar, so that IVC is for just a smaller one or just the regular size. This is king size, which is, I believe, 3 ounces. I didn't pick up any of these because I actually picked one up in the store and it was smashed, like every single one. I don't know if the cart of or the little case of those got crushed or whatever, but it was like dust in there. So I was like, no thanks. But it's still on clearance for 29 cents. Hopefully your store isn't like, they're not mangled at your store too, but I just didn't even buy a single one because they were like crushed in the bag. There's a whole lot of clearance. Another item that I found, I only found one. I wish I would have found more. But the Parodontax is 85 cents. The original price was $8.49. There's $1 back from IBOTTA. That would make it a total freebie. And there's also $1.50 back on the coupons.com app. So it would make one of them free plus $1.65 moneymaker. If you happen to find 5 of these, I believe that IBOTTA rebate is up to 5 times. So you can get 5 tubes of this for free. It's almost a $9 toothpaste. Really good price point. Unisom, I did find more of these yesterday. So 2 of them on a buy one get one 50% off is $2.68. Get back a $5 store register reward, making it free plus a $2.32 moneymaker. This was another item that was kicking back that register reward. So how fantastic is that? Another item that was kicking it out, and we talked about this on Saturday or Sunday, was the Icy Hot products. So 2 of these Icy Hots on a BOGO, 50% off, $1.63, $5 store register reward kicking out, free plus a $3.36 moneymaker. So that's terrific. Walk down that pain aisle, pain relief aisle, lots of this on clearance. The Aleve is 93 cents. Fetch had this rebate for $3 back or 3,000 points. So it made it like a little $2 moneymaker. Double, triple check your Fetch Rewards account if you might have the same Aleve rebate as I. But that was just really terrific. This little like $2 moneymaker for me. Okay, so now I want to talk about the triple stack, and I stacked these two digitals, and that 10 back when you spend 50 is expiring today, but a lot of us got a different one, which is 10 back when you spend 30, which is starting midweek. I think it's starting on Thursday. But these are the ones that I had loaded, and then the 7 back when you spend 25 on allergy, and then a paper 9 back when you spend 40. And that 9 back when you spend 40, because I did so many little transactions for clearance merchandise, I think I got like 4 or 5 printouts of that. So that was kind of crazy. Okay, so I got two of the Nasonex, and I'm going to tell you guys something weird. Up in Lansing, that was like another $3, but down here it was like cheaper. So I don't know if they changed the price on it midweek, or I don't know. That was $26.99 for the Nasonex. The Olay was $21, and then the panty liners were $2.49 on a clearance. And we're just going to go through the pictures. Nasonex is buy one get one free, so it's $26.99 here. And a friend of mine who lives up in Lansing, she was like, it's $29.99, so an extra $3, which is really weird on the same product at the same store. Now, this is on a goofy promotion in store only, that when you buy two of these allergy products, you're going to get back that $5 store register reward. So that is not too shabby. Load this digital coupon, which is a $10 off. So that's really terrific. And then I also grabbed 3 of the Olay products. So the body wash. You know what else is included this go around? Bar soap. I didn't grab the bar soap though. I have a lot of bar soap in my basement, but I know a lot of you are just key on bar soap. So this is part of it, because I know bar soap hasn't been included for a while. And we have this 5 off of 3, load this digital coupon. And then I just grabbed a clearance item to get me to that $50 mark. So $2.49 for these liners. It was just a cheap product that would get me right to 50. So that's why I grabbed it. So I also utilized some register rewards that I had, a 5, a 2, and a 4. And these are manufacturer register rewards. And how I decipher that is you look at the top of the reward, see where my arrow is, it says manufacturer. So I used an extra $11 in register rewards to get the balance down. So I wasn't really feeling this one too much out of pocket. So going through the math, 2 of the Nasonex for $26.99 on a buy one get one free. 3 of the Olays for $21 at $7 a pop, and then 1 clearance pad for $2.49. So my grand total was $50.48. I got the cashier to scan my 9 back when you spend 40. Loaded digitally, I had my allergy, which is 7 back when you spend 25, and then 10 back when you spend 50. I also had $11 in manufacturer register rewards that the cashier scanned, and $15 in digitals. I paid $24.48 out of pocket with my debit card. Got back $26 in Walgreens cash, all for the boosters, and then $10 in register rewards. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, because you're using so many boosters and you don't want any trouble. Explain something really quickly. When you're at the checkout, ask the cashier to scan every single item. If they scan one and then key in the other 2 items, which they sometimes do, your register rewards that you're presenting will not scan, because your line limit's only 3, or 1 register reward will scan and the other 2 will beep. But if you get the cashier to scan every single item, you have 6 items in the line. So I have 2 digital coupons, so 2 items are gone, but I have 4 extras. And as I presented the 3 register rewards, as the cashier scanned every single item, it actually could take them. So hopefully that makes sense. And that's how the line limits work at Walgreens. I know that's kind of advanced couponing, but that's how I got it to work. Printed out of the register reward machine, or the Catalina machine, I got back a $5 manufacturer for the Olay. Buy 3, get back 5, and then a store coupon for my allergy. Now, with that $5 store coupon for allergy or medication, you know what I would do? I would roll it into this deal to get some very cheap or inexpensive Gillette foamies. These are on a promotion of buy 1, get 1 50% off, buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. I think that's a monthly promotion. But you know what? They're still not tagged. But grabbing 2 of them, it's $5.23, subtracting a $5 store register reward, pay 23 cents, get back a $4 register reward. I think this is a super smart flip. And here's your $4 manufacturer. It's just a great way to flip those register rewards, especially a store register reward, and make it into a manufacturer that you can use with the booster at a later time. I just think it's a super smart move. And hopefully you understood clear as mud my explanation of that line limit and how I was able to get three manufacturer register rewards working in that basket. So I was paying very little out of pocket. The last store that we have is Rite Aid, and man, there is some crickets happening there. Not a lot of deals, but we'll try and make something out of nothing. So $3.99 for these Colgate Optic Whites, $7 in bonus cash when you buy two. We currently have $1 digital. Now, in the flyer, it said that it was for the toothpaste, mouthwash, and a brush. It's only working for this toothpaste. So, for whatever reason, it still makes it a freebie, but somewhat annoying. But, 2 tubes of free toothpaste will take it. So, I grabbed these two guys at $3.99 a pop. So, for the two, it's $7.98. We have $1 digital, so load it. You'll pay $6.98. Get back $7 in bonus cash. Make $1 submission to the coupons.com app, making this free plus $1 moneymaker. Now, if you have a little bit of bonus cash on your store card and you wish to roll it, spend it to earn it, yes, you absolutely can do that. And if you might have a bonus cash challenge for the Colgate toothpaste, that's also really ideal. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.